when you're so long gone. Can't help yourself when you're so dead wrong, let alone no one else. Well, the children still dying in the street, baby still living with disease, and the cops got guns, poor folks got sons, work for Mr. Franklin every week. So if you come looking for times, hard times ain't hard to find, 'cause we're giving that lifeline. Only once in a lifetime, maybe we were born, and maybe we were born to be sure to endure when the storm comes. All right. Oh, you got them sad eyes, got them cat eyes, got the angel so tight, saving his life, and you can bet to contain yourself. Alright, before you end up killed, he got his bare feet touching her bare feet in the air breathe sweet near the mountain peak. And I've forgotten what the wise men said about the ancient thread. So if you come looking for times, hard times ain't hard to find, 'cause we're giving that lifeline. Only once in a lifetime, maybe we were born, maybe we were born, oh, to be sure to endure when the storm comes. When you're so long gone, can't help yourself when you're so dead wrong, let alone no one else. All right, thanks, guys.
Now yours.
Hey, everybody. Gotta wait till the song's over, honey. Two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, and... Early in the morning, rising to the street, light me up that cigarette and I strap shoes on my feet, beat, beat. Got to find a reason things went wrong. Got to find a reason why my money's all gone. I got a Dalmatian, I could still get high. I could play this guitar like a motherfucking riot. Look out. Life is too show it's a love the one you got, cause you might get run over or you might get shot. Never start static, I just get it off my chest. Never had to battle with a bulletproof vest. Take a small example, take it from me. Take up all your money, take it up to charity. Love's what I got, it's in my reach, and the supply coming straight from Long Beach. Try and test that, gonna get what you deserve. Try and test that, where you're bound to get served. Love's what I got, don't start a riot. You feel it when the dance gets hot. Love is what I got. Remember that, I said love is what I got. Yeah, remember that, I said love, love, love is what I got. Help me out, Haley. I said love, love, love is what I got. I don't cry when my dog runs away. Don't get angry with the bills I have to pay. Don't get angry when my mom smokes pot. Hit the bottle and goes back to the rock. Fussing and fighting, it's all the same. Live with Thunder Twins, the only way to stay sane. Let the love in, let the love come back to me. Help me out, people. Hey, Sinistar. Love is what I got. And remember that, I said love is what I got. And remember that, I said love, love, love is what I got. And remember that, I said love, love, love is what I got. Everybody say love is what I got. And remember, remember, remember. All right, thanks people for listening. All right, got a minute, 40 seconds. Taught that weeping willow how to cry, cry, cry. Taught the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. She's cried, but that woman gonna flood you, big river. Yeah, I'm gonna sit right here until I die. Well, I met her accidentally in St. Paul, Minnesota. Taught me up every time I heard that drawl, that southern drawl. Well, I heard my dream went back down the stream, cavorting in Davenport. She followed you, the big river, when you call. And I taught that weeping willow, willow, willow how to cry, cry, cry. Taught the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. She's crying, but that woman going, flood you, big river, yeah. Well, I'm gonna sit right here until I die. Followed her down to St. Louis, later on down the river. Freddie said she's been here, boy, she gone, boy, she gone. Well, I followed her down to Memphis, but she just walked up the bus. She raised a few eyebrows and she went on down alone. And I taught that weeping willow, willow, willow how to cry, to cry, to cry. Taught the clouds how to cover up the clear blue sky. She was crying, that woman gonna flood you, big river, yeah. Well, I'm gonna sit right here until I die. On down to Baton Rouge, River Queen, roll on, take that woman down, New Orleans, New Orleans. I give up, I've had enough. I dump my blues right down in the Gulf. Good Lord, she loves you, big river, more than me. Thanks for listening, everybody. I'm Stever. Nice to be here.